Hello guys, in this video I will guide you how can you insert table or make table in Microsoft Office in your laptop or PC. It's very quick and easy. I will walk through all the steps, but first hit the subscribe button down below. It's really helped me out. Thanks guys. Now firstly open up your Microsoft Office. Just double click on it and here you can see it's open. Now go here insert option, just tap on insert. Here is the option about table, just tap on table. You can select like that. You select how many rows you want and how many columns you want, but here is less options. I mean it's almost 10 rows and 9 columns. But if you want more, then you just tap on insert table here, select your columns here, like I want 14 columns and 15 rows. Just select your rows and columns here and tap on OK. And here you can see my rows and columns are here, my table is here. If you want your table more aesthetic, you just tap on here some options, tap on it. Here you can see here is the options, some colorful tables, different way of table. Here you can see here's some options, all options. You can adjust them how you like to adjust. So just tap on right here something A, like A, C, D, E, and so on. And if you want to increase your table size, box size, if you want to increase your box size, you just tap on write something like wanna. If you want to increase your box size, you just enter. Here you can see it's increased. Again enter. Here you can see box size is increased. If you want to undo or turn back your box space, just tap on backspace and here you can see it's done. I hope you liked my video. If you have any questions, just comment down below and here to go.